Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We have a great episode today. We're heading out to the lake for Appies with Chappy by the lake. So today I'm going to take some pepperoni and put it in the hot air fryer and make pepperoni chips. Maybe a little dipping sauce. And if you're lucky, Mookie, we might even make a cocktail to go with our appetizer. So check it out. All right, for Appies with Chappy today, we're making pepperoni chips. In my hot air fryer. Maybe a little bit more crispy. I won't put the timer, the temperature, because I think all air fryers are different. There we go. That's what we like to see. Alright, and I got some nice marinara sauce for dipping. And those are my pepperoni chips for Appies with Chappy by the lake. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. I got my pepperoni chips. I'm going to do a drink. This is called a tropical Rainstorm. It's normally a martini style drink, but I'm going to shake it up and pour it over crushed ice in my Tiki mug. A little bit of ice in the cocktail shaker. And I got an ounce of Dark Jamaican Rum. An ounce of Cherry Brandy. And we're going to do the juice of a half lemon. And just a splash of triple sec. Give it a good shake. And then, as I said, I got a nice tiki mug full of crushed ice. And we're going to strain that on in. Oops. I got some nice berries as a garnish, and that's a tropical rainstorm to go with my pepperoni chips. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappy, saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki.